Hello children, good morning. How are you all? This is Vijay, your drawing teacher from PS Public School, wishing you a very pleasant morning. So last class what you learned? You learned a swan, how to draw a swan using number 2, isn't it? In this class, using number 3, I will show you how to draw a bird, okay? Bird from number 3. Okay, come on, let's start. First you have to draw number 3. Okay, for drawing 3 you have to extend this part, and here you have to extend this part like this, and you have to join this. Okay, both parts you have to extend here, and you have to join like this, and here you have to draw a wing like this, and now you have to draw its tail. Just two tails like this. Okay, now the tail and the wing and the body part and the face is over. Now you have to draw a beak. Okay, beak is over. Now we are drawing its eyes. Put a round and another round inside, and here you make two lines like this, and this is for legs. Easy, isn't it? What you have drawn? We have drawn a bird using number 3, isn't it? A bird from number 3. Okay children, draw it and post it in your group. You have to color it and post it, okay? Okay children, have a nice day. Bye.